Hello there, this is Sydney. Thank you so much for your interest in growing your Facebook profile with free traffic methods. These are the methods that I used to grow my Facebook account from 0 followers from English-speaking countries and also in the internet marketing niche to 2,500 followers for the last 6 weeks. Yes, I started this account since November, and as you can see, I gained a lot of engagement on my account right here, and you can scroll way back down. It has pretty few posts, so it will not take much time. With these strategies, you will learn how to get people actively go to your profile and add you as the friend, and also how you can gain more engagement on your Facebook and what type of post that you should post. There's one thing that I want you to know. These strategies are for people who join me with OLSP system. However, joining this system is a must because in this system, it has Facebook 101 training, which matches my strategies perfectly. So even you don't have the OLSP system yet, the way to pay for these strategies is through OLSP system. You can also get access to Comment Dominator Pro, in which you can earn money by just commenting on Facebook. You get access to OLSP system, but you don't need to promote it at all. Just focus on the Facebook 101 training because this is what you want to know. Apart from this, you also get a list of my strategies that I use daily to grow my Facebook account massively. So if this is something that you want, I know there are two scenarios. First, if you are not an OLSP member yet, you can go ahead and click on the green button below and buy the $7 through OLSP system. And then you need to send me your email so that I can send you the list of strategies. Second, if you are already an existing member in OLSP, you can just pay the $7 on this page, and then you will get access to the list of strategies immediately. Make sure you send me a message on my Facebook because I have another cool bonus for you as well. Okay, so that's it. Just go ahead, make the payment, and get access to the training. Learn from it. I promise you, it's worth every penny that you put out. Thank you so much, and this is Sydney. Have a great day. Bye-bye.